5 simple but powerful steps in which use your senses to bring your dream life to reality faster than you will ever think possible. So today we're talking about something that changed everything for me: learning to romanticize my life and manifest the reality that I truly want. And so I want to offer this to you all as well. So manifestation is definitely a buzzword. It's one of those concepts that can feel elusive. It's like, what is it? Does it work? How do I do it? And so in part 1 of this series, we talked a lot about our mindset and shifting our thoughts, because that is a huge part of it. But that isn't all of what manifestation is. And so in this video, I'm excited to be breaking down manifestation into simple, tangible steps. I haven't really seen manifestation talked about or broken down in this way. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make manifestation work for you, or at the very least, you will have some additional tools in your toolkit to be able to fully step into the life that you desire. So a question that I have for you is, what is one thing that you already love about your life? Leave a comment in this video. I really want to just encourage engagement with my content. Everything starts with gratitude and just appreciating what you already have, because your dream life won't show up if you're living like you hate your current one. And so I want to talk about how we change that for ourselves. And for me, something that I really love about my life now is just being able to have a lot of space and freedom and flexibility just to be creative. Stuff that I was working on months ago, years ago, I'm seeing those things come to fruition in my life now. I used to think manifestation was just about writing down what I wanted and then like waiting for it to magically appear. So very genie in a bottle. But as I'm getting more into this work, I'm learning that it is so much deeper than that. The whole thing is about fully embodying the life that you want. So feeling it, seeing it, speaking it, doing it into existence. And so I came up with the 5 senses approach because I really wanted to figure out a way to relate this concept in a way that many of us can relate to. Because when you activate your mind and your body in the process, you're not just wishing, you are actually shifting and moving and doing and aligning. The first step is breathe it. The second step is see it. The third step is speak it. The fourth step is listen for it. And the fifth step is embody it or act on it. All right, so breathing it is all about our nose sense, right? And this helps us to ground ourselves in the reality that we are manifesting. So breath work is really great to calm our nervous system and signal to our body that I'm safe and I'm already living in alignment. This is really important because attempting to manifest from a space of desperation or from survival mode, it don't work. Another aspect of using our nose sense is to incorporate scent to trigger emotions and memories. Things like oils, candles, perfume, they help to condition our brain through our nose sense to associate a certain smell with our dream reality. What would the air smell like in your dream home, your dream office, or like a vacation that you're manifesting, right? Deep breathing shifts us into a receptive and magnetic state for manifestation. When we inhale, we can imagine drawing our desires into our body, and then exhaling, releasing any resistance and limiting beliefs. So inhaling confidence and abundance, and exhaling self-doubt and fear. So that is all about breathing and grounding ourselves in the reality that we are looking to manifest. Our next sense that we're going to talk about is see it. So this is all about visualizing as well as training our mind's eye. So a great way to work on visualizing is to close our eyes and vividly picture your desired reality. Where are you? What does it look like? Who is with you? Create a vision board, or I really love to create Pinterest mood boards. And just so we have something in the physical realm that reminds us and helps us to continually see our desired reality. That it all starts with learning to notice the things that we love about our current life so that we can draw more of that into ourselves. Like, how would the main character version of you start your day? And that can be something incredibly simple, but it could be a ritual and a practice that you just embody, taking 5 minutes to just like, I love hot chocolate. I'm not a coffee drinker. And then, especially in the colder months, like getting a nice hot cup of cocoa just like is everything. And I love just being able to drink it and sip it and taste every chocolatey goodness on my taste buds. And it's just, I'm just like, I'm living the dream. I have my favorite hot drink on a cold, dreary day, and it makes everything feel so much better. The great thing about visualization and training our mind's eye is just about giving our brain space to imagine our dream life. And it's a form of seeing it before it happens. And when we're kids, our imaginations are just, wild and free. And I think there's something about shifting into adulthood that kind of snuffs that out if we're not cognizant, if we're not intentional about it. And so give yourself space to tap into your imagination, to tap into the creativity of what it is that you most desire for yourself. There's tons of like guided visualizations online where it helps you to step into your future self's reality, and helps you to get in touch with how does it feel and what do you see, and allowing that to guide you, so that you can then go and create a vision board or a Pinterest mood board or whatever that looks like, so that you can refer to it. So the next sense is all about speaking it, affirmation and words. Words are powerful. We talked about this in great depth in part 1 of this series. Speaking things into existence, it's all about your mindset. And so using affirmations and positive self-talk helps to reinforce our beliefs. So if you are looking for some tips on affirmations to get you started, definitely go back and check out the resources in part 1. But the biggest thing that I want to leave you with when it comes to speaking your reality into existence is that words hold power. And so when you voice your desires with certainty and conviction, you're putting that energy out into the universe. You're putting that energy out into reality, and reality has no choice but to respond to that. The next step in the 5 senses approach is listening for it. Listening for it is about rest, receiving, and our intuition. Rest is a huge part of manifestation. When we rest, we're giving our brain space to like power down. Like, our bodies and our lives are always talking to us and prompting us and telling us and guiding us and calling us. But you have to learn to slow down enough to really be able to hear it and listen to it. And so meditation for clarity is all about quieting the noise and listening to what your spirit and your life are trying to tell you. Sometimes manifestation isn't about doing more. It's about making room to receive the answer that's already inside of you. So we have gotten all the way to step 5. And so this step is about embodying and acting on it. A big part of this is documenting your progress and noticing the signs. We talked about in the last step, it's not all about doing, it's about making room to receive. But it's that balance, it's that ebb and flow. Show the universe that you're serious about what it is that you want. Celebrating your small wins. We talked about gratitude at the very beginning of this video. Gratitude is a magnet for more blessings. When you notice the things that you love about your life, you acknowledge it, you express gratitude for it, it's like saying more of this, please. More, please. more, and it signals to the universe, oh, she likes that, she's speaking that, she wants that. Okay, we're gonna just bombard her, give it all to her. Tracking these little moments, because I think sometimes we can get into this work and we don't notice how much progress we've made. And so this is where journaling can come in, the act of journaling. Synchronicities. So I'm really into like angel numbers. These are all just like signs of alignment when you are like noticing repeating numbers over and over again. A lot of the times, the things that we desire or that we want, they are accessible to us. So asking yourself regularly, what would the version of me who already has this thing do today? And then do it. All right, you all. So we've made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Manifestation is all about stepping into your future self now. So you don't have to wait to feel abundant or happy or at peace. You can start living that energy today. What is one small way that you're going to romanticize your life this week? Drop it in the comments so that we can inspire each other as well. So this video was all about the 5 senses approach to manifestation. So let me know what resonates with you. I can't wait to see what you manifest next. If this video spoke to you, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss part 3. I don't know why I'm doing it with both hands. So you don't miss part 3 in this series. It's not something that I talk about in great detail very often. So I'm excited to bring that kind of exclusively here on this channel. Until next time, love yourself, love your life, and let the magic happen. Bye.